Nice beanie, nice hat.
Thank you. It was a long time to see.
You know, we are doing this new series where we are trying to learn a new language in just 2 minutes. By the way, how long are
Yes.
we speaking for? Do you remember the first interaction or maybe?
Was my second year in the university. So it's been like 2, 3. It's 5 years now, I guess.
5 years? Oh my God.
I still remember because I asked you for. I had a presentation about what other foreigners think about Arabs, and that's how I met you.
Oh yeah, I
Still
sent you
remember.
a video. I sent you a video, right? Yeah, so time
Yes.
flies. It makes sense because it does feel like I know you for a long time. This is your first video on this channel, right? Like very first
Yes.
video. Yeah. So are you excited? Like, are you excited for people watching?
Yeah, I'm very excited about it.
Okay, so to those of you who are watching, including me, I did not know this before, but now I know that the Arabic in Morocco, or in general, like North Africa, is not the
Mm.
same as the Gulf countries or the Arabic Peninsula, right?
No one speaks the standard Arabic
Oh, yeah.
except for former meeting, but every country has its own dialect. And for Moroccan Darija, a lot of Arabs can't understand it because it's a mixture between French, Spanish, and other languages, and Amazigh Berber language.
Oh, yeah, I remember you telling me about the Berber language.
In
Okay.
Morocco, we have two official language. It's Amazigh and Arabic.
And do people know both normally, or they just know either one?
It depends. If you are Amazigh, you know two. For example, I'm not, so I know only one. I speak only Arabic. But even in Morocco, we have a lot of dialects. For example, people from the north, I'm from the south, so I speak like a dialect close to Mauritanian. You know Mauritanian? It's a country close to
No,
Morocco.
I heard about it. Yeah, but I don't know anyone from there. Yeah.
We speak their dialect close. It's called Hassani dialect. In the north, they speak the Shamalia. And we have Fez, people with Fez, people in Marrakech speak another dialect, but we can understand each other a little bit.
Interesting. But are these all considered like Darija dialect or?
Every Moroccan speaks the reason.
So on this video, we will be trying to learn her dialect in 2 minutes. You know, we say Keifa halak or how are you, right? But
Good.
I want to know what you say, like
Kidayer.
Kidayak,
Dayer.
Dayer,
With R at the end, yes.
Kidayer,
Kidayer for men and Kidayra for women.
Kidaira.
Kidayra, yes.
Okay. How do you say like hello or hi?
We can say Assalamu alaikum, just like standard Arabic, or we can say if you know the person, say Ahlan.
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 How do you say, for example, my name is Sarah? Like, how do you say my name is the name?
In Arabic, in Southern Arabic, it's Ismi Sarah. In Morocco, Smiti.
So I can say Ismiti Saf, right?
Yes.
How do you say, like, I know shukran is thanks, and do you say different or the same?
Yeah, say shukran.
Okay.
Or we can say Allah yahfadak.
Oh, what?
It's like Allah yahfadak. Just in Arabic, Moroccan Darija. It's like I ask God to keep you safe.
Oh, that's sweet. That's like an extended good wish. How do you say, suppose you're eating something like food and you want to express like, oh, this is so delicious or it's yummy. Like, how do you express that?
It's like, بنين.
Benin.
Yes, it's mean delicious.
How do you say congratulations or you want to say congrats to someone?
مبروك.
Brok,
مبروك عليك.
brok elik.
مبروك عليك.
And if you want to say welcome, yeah,
Can you say it? Can you say it? مبروك عليك?
mabrok alik.
Perfect. Good job.
Okay, I'm trying, you know, I know it's not perfect, but
No, you're really good. You're really good.
okay, shukran. And for shukran, you reply
Afwan.
with afwan. Yeah, I knew that. Let me try to say the numbers in Arabic. You can say if you say it the same way. So I learned like wahid, right?
Okay.
Isna, Salasa, Arba, Khamsa, Sitta, Sabba, Tamaniya, Tisa, Ashra.
It's the same except for itnan we say جوج.
for which one?
For two, we say جوج
Juge.
instead of اثنان.
Okay.
واحد جوج ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية سعود 10.
Soud.
A little bit difference, not.
Nice. Another popular word in Arabic, we hear is habibi. It's used in songs, it's used in pop culture.
Yeah.
Can you describe to us, like especially the viewers, when is it appropriate to use this word to someone? Like, is it accepted, like to say habibi to someone?
In Morocco,
Yeah.
in Morocco, we don't have that kind of love language. It's kind of weird to us. Except for husband and wife or female friends, we say habibti, etc. But for male, it's really not true. And if we want to express our feelings, say instead of habibi or habibti, we say الكبيدة. It's mean the lever. So we believe that love is not in the heart, it's in the lever. We say كبيدة.
Oh, that's
الكبد.
interesting. Yeah.
The lever.
Okay. Sweet.
But in other countries, this habibi for men, it's like mean buddy or my friend. But in Morocco, no.
Yeah, that's clear. Like if you're traveling to Morocco, don't say habibi, especially if you're a guy.
Especially men.
Yeah, especially men.
Especially man to men.
Mhm. Got it. Yeah, it's very important to be culturally educated. When you're going somewhere, you need to know what's accepted, what's normal, what's not.
Yeah.
You don't want to offend anyone. You don't want to be rude.
Yes, cultural issue.
All right. Thank you for being here. Subscribe to Bingoscape.
Yeah.
Any message you have?
I just wanted to thank you for having me here today, and I wish you good luck.
Bye bye.